One of the most wonderful dishes that you can make in the summer is pesto with your fresh cut basil from your garden. And this is right from my garden, in my container garden. You can also purchase it in farmers markets. So 2 cups of fresh cut leaves of the basil goes into the food processor, and this is a lot easier than using a mortar and pesto. 2 cloves of garlic, and you can adjust that according to the amount of garlic you like or dislike. And those 2 things go into the food processor, and they get processed together. This is as processed as I ever want my food. But as you can see, that's all coming together very blended. Doesn't have to be blended perfectly at this step, because we're going to put 1/3 cup of pine nuts, which have a very light flavor. I've also used walnuts in place of pine nuts if I don't have them, and that works out quite well too. So as you can see now, the pine nuts, the garlic, and the basil are all coming together. Next, I'm going to add the oil, the olive oil, and it is the extra fruity, light and fruity olive oil from Deliva, which is high polyphenol. We're not going to be cooking the olive oil or heating it at all in here. We're going to get the full nutritional benefits of that wonderful olive oil. So we have just finished blending that together, and then lastly comes the Parmigiano cheese. Not Parmesan, but Parmigiano cheese from Italy. You can buy it in good stores, grocery stores and delis, and it's made with sheep's milk. Gives a wonderful flavor. So we're going to just make sure that everything gets pushed down from the sides before the very last time that we're making our pesto. And so you can see how quickly this is. If you have your ingredients lined up, this will go in 3 minutes. And we're going to put a little more of the olive oil because we're looking at the consistency. And we are doing our final blend. And as we're doing the blending, we are also cooking our pasta, either linguine or spaghetti. As you can see, I reserve a little bit of the starchy pasta water because I toss it with the pasta and the fresh made pesto, and it is truly something to enjoy. It's a great recipe. Give it a try. I think you're going to love it.